I'm the one who court your daughter.
What's your name?
I'm Emmanuel Relativo.
Then? What's your job?
As a construction worker, we can do everything palpala.
Balong,
Oh,
timtang tisintensya mo. Tatan. Masapol nga sangum dagiti naganak ni Janice. Balong. DJ balitok ngayon nalak. Iso da pinanggatang titiket DJ naganak da ta pinagawit to ta yung sakripisok nga makasarita misuda. At dami na abruti naganak na. Ngamti problema balong. Adda balon mo ngayong destita?
ako nga ro, nakapunak ti English.
Ay kat ipara.
We communicate to others people.
Ay, tati ko na akong balong.
Oh,
At dagayang balon mo. Tatan. Masapol nga sangom ti sintensyam.
ay, wow.
Awan iti laglag ng ilocano nga agsaw ti Ingles. Ana balong. Kaya nga sangon suda?
Jaka mo, ti ka panunutak nga ro, no? Kaya gata.
Apo, dahi tati ko na akong balong. Bilibak kanyam, boy. Sige.
Te, balito ko nga ro dahil napanala.
Ingatan ko for tiket nga nagplet dito Pilipinas kadabro tinaganak ni Janice.
Kat mamanhikan ta nga ro.
Una, kasaritam suda datadan eh.
Ito na pagkakataon mo, Balong, ha? Kausapin mo na mga parents ko.
Wala akong masasabi sa'yo, Janice. Dahil ang pamilya mo, foreigner.
Balong, ito na pagkakataon mo. Ito yung papa ko. Ito naman yung mama ko.
Paano ako? Talaga hindi ko alam yung pagsasalita nila. Janice, mamamanhikan ako sa'yo. Pero ano bang sasabihin ko sa pamilya mo? Nahihiya ako sa kanila kasi may foreigner.
A few moments later.
I'm the one who court your daughter.
What's your name?
I'm Emmanuel Relativo.
Then? What's your job?
As a construction worker, we can do everything palpala. You can accept me. I'm courtship. That's my bulaklak.
Wow!
You can accept what I'm talking. Bulaklak.
Okay. So, he is courting your daughter. And he's giving these flowers for you. And he's asking whether you accept him. You allow him to court your daughter.
That is gonna give me money. Okay, thank you. How old are you, young man?
I'm 30 years old. I just want to date your daughter in resort. If you're willing to let me to go to resort.
Oh, let me discuss with the mother. What do you think, dear?
Are you serious about it?
I'm serious. This one. What is your decision? Your parents, Janice.
I don't know, ask them.
Okay, I think it might not be a good idea just for you two to go to the resort.
I'm very pressure your decision, father. I'm not a stranger. I can promise your daughter.
Okay, let's make it simple. You bring her in the morning, and then you must bring her by 9 p.m. on the same day. I don't want you to stay there with her over the night. So you bring her in the morning and you bring her back by 9 p.m.
I'm
Is that
pleasure, father. Thank you, father, mother, for
Okay.
pleasure.
Alright, you can bring her in the morning and remember.
Pleasure to greet you, your daughter. A daughter,
Take good care of her.
I
Take
can
good care of her.
take
okay?
in resort.